How to create a geofence in FMS. Begin by logging into the Fleet Management System, FMS, for seamless access. To create a geofence, go to the Location section. Click on Geofences within the Location menu. Click on the blue Geofence tab to start creating a geofence. Enter the desired address in the search bar and select from the suggested results. The map will zoom in to the selected geolocation. Adjust the map view by clicking and dragging with the cursor or using the zoom in, out buttons. Change the map type by clicking on the layers icon in the bottom right corner. Either select the rectangular-shaped icon to draw a rectangular geofence on the map or select the free drawing icon in the lower right corner. To create a rectangular geofence, click on a point on the map to set the first corner. Keep the cursor clicked and move it to define the shape and size of the rectangle. Release the cursor to complete the shape. To create a free-form geofence, click on the map to place corners in clockwise or counterclockwise order. Adjust the shape by clicking and dragging any corner. Enter the geofence details and click Save to finalize the creation. Yay! You have successfully created a geofence. It will be listed on the left side of the map and shown on the map itself when you return to the geofence page.